Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are doing Roblox, and to my accordingly, we are doing the scary elevator, or no, actually, I was doing the scary elevator, but I ended up doing the spooky mansion, I guess is what I'm playing. Anyway, so it's pretty much where a bunch of horror characters pop up, and you have to try to avoid them, which seems pretty fun. Here's all the characters, actually. You got Chucky, in there, there's Sally Williams, Jeff the Killer, Slender Man, Granny, Michael, you got It, Pennywise, the Dancing Clown, Baldy, and just like a whole bunch of characters that you got. So, yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing today. That's really all I have planned, and I'm so sorry that I have been so inactive, guys. I've just been so busy with school, and now I have a job, so I will no longer be uploading anytime on the weekends unless I am home early, because that's when I work. So, oh, yep, there's Chucky. Bye. Got a blast. Not gonna do that. Not today. Sorry. Is he in there? Where is he? I just saw him. Where'd he go? Oh, yep, there he is. So, yeah. Okay, so, let's go ahead and get some of the stuff that I can actually get. Speed shoes are a good thing to have. I love having these. And I just got acrylic, so it's hard for me to play as well, so. Hello Neighbor has been chosen. I think that's one of the special maps that we have over here. No. Oh, yep, there he is. Just ran right past us, and with these shoes you can run circles around them. It's so funny because they are trying to kill you. Whoop! Yeah, oh. Oh no! No! Oh my gosh. And these little coins that you see here, you can get points with them, and you can use these points to get stuff with, to help, like, defend yourself, or, like, get cool objects, like the speed coil or the gravity coil, and, cool stuff like that. Sir, what are you doing? Oh, hello? Hello? Whoa, okay. That didn't happen last time, so, surprise! I'm guessing there's jump scares in this. They also have, like, a little clothing selection that you can have here. It's pretty cool. So, like, in here, they have a bunch of cool objects that you can use. Let's go ahead and get some speedy shoes. Oh, wait, I can't. No! And then, out here, they have, like, weapons that you can use. And over there, they have more objects that you can use as well. And pretty much the whole place is the mansion, so there is no, like, spawn area. And sometimes it'll teleport you to one of their special maps, which is school. One of our special maps. Oh, it's not loading. Oh, dang it. Elementary. I've already been to elementary school. Oh, Jesus, Baldy, go away, go away, go away. I don't want to deal with you. No, bye. Got a blast. Got a blast. Got a blast. Oh my gosh. Look at him. Oh, no, 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 no. Why would you bring him in here? He's so weird. Like, I don't even know what to do. But, it has a certain time limit of when the games will end and everything. And right now I currently have 14 points. Ah, Jesus, no, 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 no. I just need, oh, I survived that last second. Oh my god. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. That was, whew. It gives you a thriller when you're really into games like me. Like, I play a lot, I just never really record. Because I kind of lost the habit of recording. And by the way, by the time this video goes out, or when you're seeing this, I have already gone live. I'm going live around I forgot what time this weekend. This is, that one. I forgot his name. Nope. Not today, not today, not today, not today. Let me have my health pack available when I need it. Whew. But yeah, this is again another one of the special maps. And I feel like they did a humongous job on these characters. Like, I love how they turned out. Nope, gotta blast, gotta blast. And by the way, guys, I still play Animal Jam, and I still have my membership. So, yeah, go ahead and come see me on Animal Jam. You guys remember my username and everything. And I'm going to go try and go live later today. I did give away a lot of my items because I thought I was going to be quitting. But it turns out that my heart is still in Animal Jam and that I still want to play it. So, yep. That's how it's going to be out. Ooh, Slender Man. Let's see. We gotta be wary of our surroundings. He could be in this hallway. Yep, he is. There he is. I see him. He's in there. You idiot! Let's see if we can go ahead and get a cute little look at Slendy. Oh, look at that. They built Slendy so good. Oh, don't go in there, don't go in there. They built him so well. I'm really happy. But, they didn't really build the characters so that way they have the mind of their own, so that way they can go through the hallways and be able to find people themselves without getting stuck. So, like, if they're stuck, that sometimes, if you get the right game, they'll have, like, that setting in them where they can go around it. They don't have that here, which makes it really easy to survive these rounds and everything. So, yeah. And, guys, by the way, this guy has been chosen. Okay. Alright. All the lights are off. That can't be good. So we gotta be extra wary of our surroundings, guys. So he's kind of like a whisper. Oh my god, I want all these people, like, away from me. Guys, my anxiety's gotten so bad. Oh, Jesus, he's right behind me. Yeah, bye. Bye. Bye, go away. Yeah, no, not dealing with you. Yeah, like, look at that. Like, imagine that following you. No, give me him back. He's mine. Like, I feel like an overprotective girlfriend. Give me my whisper back. Oh, he killed me. My whisper killed me. Just a second before I could have lived. Let's see, do I want the bendy healing pet or the pumpkin healing pet? I want the pumpkin healing pet. I like pumpkins, especially that one. It's really cute. Oh, jeez, what are we doing? Oh, it's Bendy. Oh my gosh! Came out of nowhere and scared me. Oh my gosh. Ink, which is Bendy, I think. happy neighborhood. Happy home in Robloxia, school, manic, zombie attack. I really want to see the zombie attack one. And then Mario. I've seen the Mario one. What's this? Mr. Not So Hero to gain access. That's a lot of Robux. Jason. I just want the points right now currently. But I still do have to be careful because I won't gain as many points if I don't live. I gotta go with the big coin. I see him over there. That's great. No. I don't play that. Sorry. I want to get a good look at him, though. Where is he at? They built him so well. But I finally have enough points to get... Oh, wait, no, I don't. I still need, like, 5 more points. Here's a challenge. Let's try and get the exact number of points that I need, so that way I can just spend them all. That's a red skull lantern. That's a healing pet. So, another Jason. So, all I need is the exact number. So, let's go ahead and get this big one here. 6, 7, 8. Okay, I can't get any more until I buy the pet. Here's the leaderboard also, guys. They have the leaderboard. Server points. I have the second most amount of points and I'm about to have the least. Like, as I buy it, let's just watch my name go down. Yay! Look at that. Look, it's a little healing pet. He's so cute. That's my healing pet. Look at him. He's so cute. Oh, Jesus. Run! Collect the coins. No! My healing pet! And I just got him! I probably should get the running shoes first before I think about a healing pet. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys liked and subscribe. I know I don't talk much in my videos, but that's just me. See you all in the next video, and remember, stay awesome. Bye guys! Alright, my program's not working again, so if it randomly stops, it's because it ended. Alright? But I have like 20 seconds, so yeah. Oh, and yeah, by the way, I work weekends, so, yeah. And links down in the description to social media, I think. No, not anymore. I don't have any social media. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!